Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be custom line and edges. This is not very complex, and what I want to show you in this lesson is how to create user-defined graphic lines and edges and display them along with the standard types. Starting with the graphic lines. It's very easy and we can turn this a little more complex, but I will make a very simple example. I will use the free mode, so simply create something like a line, okay, then another line, and I can put, for example, a circle somewhere around in the middle. I'm not caring about any dimensions, and with this created, so this will be the pattern of our new line type. I just need to open the nodes, and I need to have one node that I need to call it start, and another one that should be the last one, element name, call it end. Simply this. Now I need to save my file, save as. I can create it directly in the folder where these line types are stored, but I have a little problem with my computer with the permissions for that folder. So I will create it in my desktop. I will call it whatever it is, KK. Save it, and I will go out of my drawing. So now I have my KK here, and inside the installation folder where we have T-Flex, I'll go to Program and then Line Patterns, and we simply need to put the file inside, or if it was the correct way that I was explaining you, save it directly inside T-Flex. Okay, drag and drop. Okay, continue, and here it is. Now I will restart T-Flex again. A couple of moments, and ISO drawing, and if I draw one line, it doesn't matter which line it is. If I open the line types, I have this type here, Kiki, and if I draw, you see that I have my new type. Okay, this is the principle. It's very easy to understand, and you can create whatever you want. The same for the patterns. We can create a pattern in terms of edges. I will create a spline, something like this. Okay, and for example, let's create something pretty, and I need to create 3 nodes that they can be where I want. They will define the array for this kind of functionality, but I will say that my this node here will be what I call the center one. It will be as the starting point of this pattern, so I need to call it center. Then I need to define the points or change the name to the nodes that will define the what we can call the array. One in Y, another in X. So not this one. So this one here, I need to call it step Y. And finally, the last one, I need to call it step step X. So, and with the same thing, I will save it. Now I can call it CAD. Again, in the environment, because I don't have the permissions to my folder, so save it. I will leave and restart Deflex again. I come one behind and go to this folder, call it Edge Patterns. So drag and drop, continue. Here it is. Restart again with Deflex. Couple of seconds. And starting with 2D drawing. Making shape, okay, and hatch, and now hatch, and I'll go to choose the kind of profile I want to apply. The hatch, where should I go? Okay, pattern, type, and I should have on the list something called, where it is, okay, CAD, here it is, okay, choose my area to apply, then I can choose the size and whatever I want, and here it is, my pattern. So this is quite easy to apply, I think. We are completely free to apply whatever we want or we need. There are a couple more functionalities with these settings, and you can consult our theoretical side to see the rest of the functionalities and the rest of the possibilities we have for these two commands of Deflex.